Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today's going to be another sit down natural hair video. I've decided to do a back to basics natural hair video. This is for beginners and also for some of us who are a little bit more experienced but maybe just want to see what I do with my hair. If you're a bit advanced in natural hair, I can understand that you don't use some of these products or you have a bigger collection, but this is for people who are trying to begin their journey, begin their regimen, and I'm just trying to give them the basics. Let's jump straight into the video. Natural hair basics 101, ABCs, whatever you want to call it. So I've got my big, I can't even lift it up. Ugh. I've got my Nike box full of everything that I use, the basics of what I use. What I like to use for my hair, obviously at the beginning of the process, let's start with washing your hair. Washing your hair, you need a shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo and conditioner that I am using is the Aesop Nourishing shampoo and Aesop Nourishing conditioner. I have been really enjoying these. They smell amazing. They leave my hair feeling nice and hydrated and nourished. Shampoo strips your hair. So depending on the shampoo that you get will depend on how much it strips your hair and if it strips your hair or not. If you buy products that are specifically for natural hair, they will be a lot more expensive, such as Shea Moisture. Great for natural hair, but it will be expensive. I shampoo my hair once a week and then I may condition my hair maybe twice a week. So sometimes if I do a mid wash, it will just be conditioning my hair most likely. The shampoo that I'm using as well with that is the Nourishing conditioner. So we'll put those aside. While you're conditioning and stuff, you need to detangle your hair. You can either use a tangle teaser or a Denman brush to detangle your hair. You don't just detangle your hair straight away with this. You use your fingers as well, and then you use this. Your fingers are the main tool. I should say, to detangle your hair, you should use your fingers, not this brush. But this also can also help to detangle your hair, especially while conditioning. I don't recommend detangling your hair while your hair is dry. You need to detangle your hair while there's something that's easy for it to slip through. If you try detangling your hair while you have shampoo or while it's dry, you will suffer. Don't do that to yourself. After you've been detangling and you've dried your hair, then we get to the styling and the moisturizing of your hair. So majority of natural hair people use the lock method, which is a liquid or leave-in, an oil and a cream. This is also what I use for my hair. So the leave-in conditioner that I was using is Cantu, the leave-in conditioner, but I've heard a lot about Cantu and how they've been putting rubbing alcohol in this. Well, not putting, it has rubbing alcohol in it and stuff. So I've been trying to stay away from this, and I've recently got onto the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I have been loving this, but I'm not 100% in love with it as much as I used to be with Cantu. I don't know what it is about Cantu. It does something. My hair just doesn't look the same with this, and it leaves a bit of a residue. I love the smell of this though. The smell of this is amazing, but that's another story. But anyway, these are the two that I have been using at the present time. These are my leave-ins for my lock method. Then the oils that I have been using are Jamaican black castor oil. Love this. I've been using this for ages. This is my go-to. I use this on my face, on my body, on my hair, everywhere. And also I've been using coconut oil. Coconut oil is a staple. I have a big bulk of coconut oil, and I just sort of put it into this little manageable tub so that I can carry it around if I need to carry it, and it's just easier to have something like this rather than a big, tin and stuff. Then also I recently got onto jojoba oil or jojoba oil, whatever you want to call it, the jojoba oil from organic SUKU. Man, I've fallen in love with jojoba oil. I read up about it and stuff when I got this, and I was like, oh, I'm not too sure. I really wanted to try it out. It's not like castor oil. It's not as heavy as castor oil. It doesn't smell like castor oil. It doesn't have the scent at all. It's so light and it's so like moisturizing. My hair just like, as soon as I put it on my hair, as soon as I put it on my scalp, it just takes it up so quickly as compared to castor oil. So jojoba oil I've been really loving, and it promotes like hair growth and regeneration and stuff. I've been reading a lot about jojoba oil, and apparently it's really good for your nails as well, so I've been rubbing it into my nails. For cuticle oil, they use for cuticle oil as well because it helps with cell regeneration. For those of you who don't do science, cell regeneration means your cells are regrowing. We have cells all over our body, so they're always regrowing. So if you're putting jojoba oil on your hair, that means that you're allowing cells to regrow, meaning hair cells to regrow, creating new hair follicles and new hair. So if you haven't tried jojoba oil, for those of us who have been in the natural hair game, try jojoba oil. I'm sure you will love it. So these are the oils that I use for my hair for the present time. If you want, you can just stick to these ones. Those are the ones that I would really recommend. Coconut oil and castor oil. For the cream that I'm using, it's not really a cream in my lock method, is the organic SUKU 100% organic shea butter. And what I use this mainly for is for either my scalp and also my ends. I use it to seal my ends. I really want to try whipping this shea butter to see how it goes, because my hair doesn't seem to like shea butter on its own, as in when I just put it through my hair normally. And that's what you have to know your hair and learn your hair and see what works best for you and manipulate the products so that it works best for you. But I've been using this organic shea butter for my ends and for my scalp, and my scalp has really been loving it. And obviously there are other things that you will then need through your journey. For styling, I use Eco Styler gel. I've been looking for a more organic sort of styler that doesn't have alcohol. So if you guys know a good organic gel that is this type of gel, not the hard one, but this type of gel, comment down below and let me know so I can, change this up and hook myself up with something new. Also, on top of that, you need a spray bottle. This will just help you in just life and in everything that you do. Sometimes your hair will be quite rough, sometimes your hair will be quite tough. It just makes it easy if you can just, wet your hair and sort of go through it and, wet your hair without having to wet your entire hair. I found that it's easier to go through my hair and to do my hair and stuff when my hair is a little bit wet, especially putting products and stuff. And also a comb, a good comb. I love this comb. I have 3 of them at the present time. I lost one of them, then I found it, then I bought another one. I bought one for my mum as well because she kept taking mine. That's why I lost it. So you need to get yourself a comb. Lastly, this is optional, but it makes doing treatments and stuff like that so much easier. A comb, I don't know what you want to call it, but applicator thing. I use the Afro comb from, again, organic SUKU. It just makes life easy. You can put your conditioner in, you can put your oils in. If you have braids, you can go in with that. If you're doing a hot oil treatment, a deep condition, just chuck it in here and go into your scalp and you're good to go, So those are the things that I would recommend any natural person who's trying to start their collection to get. You can start off with something quite small. The basics, so shampoo, conditioner, 1 leave-in conditioner. You don't need to have the cream. Coconut oil, you can seal your ends with coconut oil if you're on a tight budget. I know not everyone has the funds to be able to buy a full collection like what I have here, but you can start off slow. I did not get all this stuff in the space of one time. I've gotten this stuff in the space of this entire year. All of this stuff is from this entire year. So you need to start off slow, get what is important, and begin your journey, begin your collection, and things will become a lot easier. The more you do research, the more you understand and the more you begin to understand your hair and see your hair, you'll begin to create your own regimen and what works for you. So I hope this video has been helpful for you guys. And I hope you guys have enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section what type of videos you guys would like to continue to see. If there's a specific video you want me to make, let me know and I'll put it on my list of videos that I will be making throughout the year. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and put the bell button on so you get a notification every time I post a video. I will see you guys next week. Love you so much.